Okay, real question. Have you ever thought about how the internet actually gets to your device?
Wi-Fi, magic, I don't know, it just works.
Exactly. We use the internet every second, but most of us never stop to ask, how does a video, an image, or even a message actually reach us?
Well, yeah, if I send you a picture, it just appears on your phone, instantly.
But here's the mind-blowing part. It doesn't actually travel as a whole picture. It's sliced into tiny invisible pieces called data packets, each taking different routes through cables, satellites, and radio waves before reassembling on your device.
Wait, so my selfie is actually broken into pieces, scattered across the world, and then magically put back together?
Exactly. Imagine mailing a puzzle to someone, but instead of sending it in one box, you ship each piece separately through different delivery routes. Some go by plane, some by train, some by boat. But when they all arrive, they fit perfectly back into the picture.
That's wild, but how do these packets even travel?
That's where things get even crazier. Data moves in two main ways, through wired networks, like fiber-optic cables under the ocean, and through wireless signals, radio waves traveling through the air.
Wait, so when I load a website, my request is literally shooting through undersea cables?
Yup. If you visit a website from another country, your request might travel thousands of kilometers through fiber-optic cables under the ocean before coming back as a web page on your screen.
Okay, that makes sense for cables, but what about Wi-Fi? How does my router send the internet to my phone?
Your router is basically a tiny radio station. It converts data into radio waves, which travel through the air and are picked up by your phone's antenna. The phone then decodes those signals back into text, images, and videos.
So basically, I'm surrounded by invisible internet waves all the time?
Pretty much. Right now, your phone is catching internet signals floating around you, just like a radio tuning into a station.
Wait, one thing still doesn't make sense. Why is everything just zeros and ones? Why not some other system?
Great question. It's because computers and electronics work with tiny switches, either on or off. 1 means on, 0 means off. This simple system makes computing super fast and reliable. And by combining billions of these tiny on-off signals, we get pictures, videos, even games.
So the entire internet, everything I watch, send, and download, it's all just a huge mess of zeros and ones flying around invisibly?
Exactly. Every TikTok, every Google search, every WhatsApp message, it's just electrical pulses or radio waves carrying billions of zeros and ones.
Okay, but why should I care? I mean, as long as my internet works, does it really matter how it gets here?
It actually does. Knowing how the internet works helps you get better speeds. Wi-Fi signals can be blocked by walls, so placing your router correctly helps. Stay safe online. Hackers intercept data packets, and understanding this helps you protect your info. Shape the future. The next big innovation, whether it's quantum internet or AI, will be built on top of these basic principles.
This is crazy, but if this is how the internet works today, what's next?
That's the million-dollar question. Scientists are already working on the quantum internet, which could send data instantly. No need for packets, no delays. Imagine downloading an entire movie in a fraction of a second.
All right, now I need to know more about that.
Well, hit that subscribe button because we're diving into that next.